How to prevent water damage in your attic. Water damage in your attic can cause you headaches and costly repairs. Most of the time, attic water damage is caused by a roof leakage. Check out these tips for preventing roof leakage and water damage. How to prevent roof leakage. The best tip on how to prevent roof leakage is to maintain it regularly. Trim your trees to prevent dead limbs falling on your roof, clear the roof of any twigs, leaves, and other debris, check and clean the gutters and downspouts to ensure they are draining properly, have a roofing contractor inspect your roof regularly. How to find a roof leak. First, check the insulation and wood for signs of damage, such as discoloration and mold growth. The area where the two roofs join at an angle is prone to cracks and roof leaks, so make sure to inspect it as well. Leaks are also common in the area around attic plumbing stacks. Another way to detect water leaks in the attic is to inspect the recessed lighting canisters. Rust, corrosion, and stains around them indicate moisture coming from the attic and possible electrical dangers. If you see these signs, check moisture barriers, shingles, flashing, caps, gutters and downspouts. A professional roofing contractor can check the roof's integrity, spot, and fix any issues in time to prevent roof leakage. We're here to help. Call PuroClean 832-562-4422.